I welcome you all students for today's maths class. I have given the solution for the assignment sums. You can check your answers with it. Let's move on to the class. Have you ever gone to market to buy rice or wheat? How will you ask the shopkeeper? You will ask in kilograms, right? But items like ginger or chilies, which we do not need in large quantities, we buy in grams. Have you noticed the weight of the medicine tablets? It is very small. It will be in milligram. In today's class, we will learn how to convert the different units of measuring length, mass, and capacity. We will also learn about the relationship by which they are connected. Conversion of units, unit of money. We use pies and rupee to represent money, right? So here is the relationship between pies and rupee. 100 pies is equal to 1 rupee. In symbol, we can write like this. Unit of time. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 7 days is equal to 1 week. 30 days is equal to 1 month. 12 months is equal to 1 year. 365 days is equal to 1 year. 366 days is equal to 1 leap year. So in symbols, we can write seconds as S and minutes as MIN, and hour is represented by H. Unit of length. Different units of measuring length are kilometer, meter, centimeter, and millimeter. So we use kilometer to measure long distances such as distance between two places, and we can use meter to measure a piece of cloth or the length of a classroom or a building or a land. Centimeter. In the scale, the readings will be given in the centimeter. So 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter and 0 to 2 is 2 centimeter, like that. Next is millimeter. As you can see here, from 0 to 1, we have 9 lines, right? So these are the 9 lines. So 0 to the first line is said to be 1 millimeter. So millimeter is the smallest unit. Here is the relation between them. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So if you want to convert meter to millimeter, there is no direct conversion. First, you have to convert meter to centimeter. Then the centimeter to millimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 100 into 10. So which is equal to 1000 millimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Similarly, in order to convert kilometer to millimeter, first you have to convert kilometer to meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. And then you have to convert meter to millimeter. So 1000 meter into 1000 millimeter, which is equal to 10 lakh millimeter. Unit of mass. Different units of measuring mass are kilogram, gram, and milligram. So kilogram, it's represented by kg, gram is g, and milligram is mg. So the relationship between them are given below. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So if you want to convert kilogram to milligram, first you need to convert kilogram to grams. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram and then gram you have to convert to milligram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So is equal to 1000 into 1000 milligram, which is equal to 10 lakh milligram. So 1 kilogram is equal to 10 lakh milligram. Unit of capacity. Different units of measuring capacity are kiloliter, liter, and milliliter. Kiloliter is represented by KL, liter by L, and milliliter by ML. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So, if you want to convert kiloliter to milliliter, first you have to convert kiloliter to liter and then liter to milliliter. So first 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. Then you have to convert liter to milliliter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 1000 liter will be equal to 1000 into 1000 milliliter. So 1 kiloliter is equal to 10 lakh milliliter. Points to remember. Kilo is the largest, milli is the smallest. Kilo means 1000 times greater, milli means 1000 times smaller, centi means 100 times smaller. To convert larger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. To convert smaller unit to larger unit, we divide. Here is an example. Here you have 7 kilometer. You want to convert it to meter. So we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So we are converting larger unit to smaller unit. Kilometer is a larger unit and meter is a smaller unit. So we have to multiply. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 7 into 1000 kilometer is equal to 7000 meter. So when you see the second example, 560 centimeter is equal to 5.6 meter. So here we are converting centimeter to meter. That is, we are converting a smaller unit to larger unit. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. While we are converting smaller unit to larger unit, we need to divide. So it is 560 divided by 100, which is equal to 5.6 meter. So therefore 560 centimeter is equal to 5.6 meter. So the important thing here is to convert larger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. To convert smaller unit to larger unit, we divide. Now we will see few problems on large numbers. On 1st January 2016, the population of 3 cities of India was 28,70,577, 74,06,509 and 63,88,003. What was the total population of the 3 cities? Solution. The total population of the 3 cities is the sum of the number of people in the 3 cities. So we have to add all the given numbers. So the first number is 28,70,577. The second number is 74,06,509 and 63,88,003. So we have to add. An important note, so when you write the numbers, always the ones digit should come on the same line followed by the tens digit, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Similarly, when you start adding, you have to start from the ones place. So, when you add 7, 9 and 3, you will get 19. So 9 here and 1 will be carried here. And then 7 plus 1 will give you 8. 5 plus 5 will be 10. So 0 here, 1 will be carried here. 6 plus 8 will give you 14. Plus the carried 1 will give you 15. So 5 and 1 will be carried down here. 7 plus 8 will give you 15 plus this carried 1 will give you 16. So 6 and 1 will be carried here. 8 plus 4 will give you 12 and 12 plus 3, 15 plus 1, this carried 1. So 16, 6 and 1 carried here. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 6, 15 plus this carried out 1 will give you 16. So the number is 1 crore 66 lakh 65,089. Hence, the total population of the three cities was 1 crore 66 lakh 65,089. What number must be subtracted from 1 crore 2 lakh 59,756 to get 77 lakh 63,835? Solution: to get the number, subtract 77 lakh 63,835 from 1 crore 2 lakh 59,756. So we will subtract. Thus, we obtain the number 24 lakh 95,921. Therefore, 24,95,921 must be subtracted from 1 crore 2 lakh 59,756 to get 77 lakh 63,835. The mass of each gas cylinder is 21 kg 270 gram. What is the total mass of 28 such cylinders? So, the mass of a gas cylinder is given to be 21 kg 270 grams. We have to find the total mass of 28 such cylinders. So, first, when you look at this, the mass is given in two units, that is in kg as well as in grams. So, we have to convert it into a single unit. So, the mass of each gas cylinder is equal to 21 kilogram to 70 gram. So, we are converting the kilogram to gram here. So, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So, when you convert larger unit to smaller unit, we have to multiply. So, 21 into 1000 gram plus this 270 grams. So, which is equal to 21 into 1000 will be 21,000 plus 270 gram, which is equal to 21,270 grams. So, here I have added and shown. So, we have now found the mass of each gas cylinder is equal to 21,270 gram. But they have asked us to find the total mass of 28 such cylinders. So we have found it for one cylinder. Now we have to find for 28 such cylinders. So we have to multiply 21,270 gram into 28, which is equal to 5,95,560 gram. So here I have multiplied and shown. Total mass of 28 such cylinder is equal to 5,95,560 gram. So it is in gram, but in question they have given in kilogram as well as in gram. So we will convert it into kilogram and gram. Therefore, total mass of 28 such cylinder is equal to 595 kilogram and 560 gram. Here we are converting to kilogram and gram. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? So, the length of cloth required to stitch a shirt is equal to 2 meter 15 centimeter. So, we are converting meter to centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. We are converting larger unit to smaller unit, so we need to multiply. So, 2 meter is equal to 2 into 100 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. So, which is equal to 215 centimeter. The length of cloth available is equal to 40 meter. So they have given in meter. So we need to convert in centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 40 meter will be equal to 40 into 100 centimeter, which is equal to 4000 centimeter. So in order to find how many shirts can be stitched, we have to divide 4000 by 215. So 215 ones are 215. So when you subtract, you will get 1850. 215 eights are 1720. So when you subtract 1850 and 1720, you will get 130. So you will get the quotient as 18 and the remainder as 130. The number of shirts that can be stitched is equal to 18. The remaining cloth, that means the length of remaining cloth is equal to 130 centimeter. So it is in centimeter. So in question, it has been given in meter and centimeter. So we will convert it into meter and centimeter. So which will be equal to 1 meter 30 centimeter. Next we will see estimation of numbers. Estimation is very useful in our daily life. Every day we hear statements like 2,500 people enjoyed Salman's movie in a theater. 13 million passengers cover 63,000 kilometers of railway track every day. 67,000 people watched Sachin Tendulkar's 100th century in the stadium. In fact, no one counted the exact number of people for the particular event. These numbers are estimates giving the idea of the number of people present for the event. The exact counts may be slightly more or less than the estimates. Usually the numbers are estimated to the nearest tens, hundred, thousand, and so on. Rounding off a number to the nearest tens. For rounding off a number to the nearest tens, we adopt the following procedure. So these are the procedures that has to be followed in order to round off a number to the nearest tens. So first, look at the digit at the ones place in the given number. If the digit at the ones place is less than 5, then replace the ones digit by 0 and keep all other digits of the number as they are. If the digit at the ones place is 5 or greater than 5, then increase the tens digit by 1 and replace the ones digit by 0. Example, consider the number 274. If we plot these number on the number line, we find that 274 lies between 270 and 280. So if you see the number 274, if you look at the digit in the ones place, we have 4, which is less than 5. So by the if the digit at the ones place is less than 5, then replace the ones digit by 0 and keep all other digits of the number as they are. So we have to replace the ones digit, that is 4, by 0 and keep all other numbers as they are. So we round off 274 as 270, correct to the nearest tens. The next is consider the number 277. So if we plot the number in the number line, it lies between 270 and 280. If you see the number in the ones digit, we have 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So we will see the procedure now. If the digit at the ones place is 5 or greater than 5, then increase the tens digit by 1 and replace the ones digit by 0. So we have to increase the tens digit by 1 and replace the ones digit by 0. So here you have to increase the tens digit by 1 and ones digit should be 0. So we round off 277 as 280, correct to the nearest tens. The next number, consider the number 275. If we plot the number in the number line, we get 275 lies between 270 and 280. So in this number, in the ones place, we have 5. So it is equal to 5. So the procedure is, if the digit at the ones place is 5 or greater than 5, then increase the tens digit by 1 and replace the ones digit by 0. So we have to increase the tens digit by 1 and replace the ones digit by 0. Thus we obtain 280. So we round off 275 as 280, correct to the nearest tens. Note, in the number 9395, the digit at the ones place is 5. So we increase the tens digit by 1 and replace ones digit by 0. The rounded off number to the nearest tens is equal to 9410. Here the tens digit is 9. So if we increase this digit by 1, then its effect falls on hundredths digit. Rounding off a number to the nearest hundreds. For rounding off a number to the nearest hundreds, we adopt the following procedure. Look at the digit at the tens place in the given number. If the digit at the tens place is less than 5, then replace each of the digit at tens place and ones place by 0 and keep all other digits of the number as they are. If the digit at the tens place is 5 or greater than 5, then increase the digit at hundreds place by 1 and replace each of the digits at tens and ones place by 0. Example. So consider the number 8532. So the digit at the tens place is 3, which is less than 5. So we replace each of the digit at tens place and ones place by 0 and keep all other digits of the numbers as they are. So the rounded off number to the nearest hundreds is equal to 8500. Consider the number 23,577. The digit at the tens place is 7. We have 7 in the tens place, which is greater than 5. So we increase the digit at the hundreds place by 1 and replace each of the digits at tens and ones place by 0. The rounded off number to the nearest hundreds is equal to 23,600. So consider the number 1,99,953. The digit at the tens place is 5. So we increase the digit at the hundreds place by 1 and replace each of the digits at tens and ones place by 0. Thus we obtain the rounded off number to the nearest hundred is equal to 2 lakhs. Rounding off number to the nearest thousand. For rounding off a number to the nearest thousands, we adopt the following procedure. Look at the digit at the hundreds place in the given number. If the digit at the hundreds place is less than 5, then replace each of the digits at hundreds, tens place and ones place by 0 and keep all other digits of the numbers as they are. If the digit at the hundreds place is 5 or greater than 5, then increase the digit at thousands place by 1 and replace each of the digits at hundreds place, tens and ones place by 0. Example, round off each of the following numbers to the nearest thousands. Consider the number 5,379. The digit at the hundreds place is 3. So, which is less than 5. So, we replace each of the digits at hundreds place, tens place and ones place by 0 and keep all the other digits of the number as they are. So, the rounded off number to the nearest thousands is equal to 5,000. Consider the number 28,809. The digit at the hundreds place is 8, which is greater than 5. So we increase the digit at the thousands place by 1 and replace each of the digits at hundreds, tens and ones place by 0. So we get the rounded off number as 29,000. Consider this number 3,60,516. The digit at the hundreds place is 5. So we increase the digit at the thousands place by 1 and replace each of the digits at hundreds, tens and ones place by 0. So the rounded off number to the nearest thousands is equal to 3,61,000. Now we will do a small activity. Round each number to the nearest tens. So here we have the number 69. The digit in the ones place is 9. So what number you will get when we round off the given number to the nearest 10, 60 or 70? We will get 70. So the next number is 92. So here the digit in the ones place is 2, which is less than 5. So what number you will get when you round off 92 to the nearest 10? 90 or 100? We will get 90. Round each number to the nearest 100. So we have to round each of the given number to the nearest 100. So the number given are 302 and 750. So if we want to round the numbers to the nearest 100, we have to see the digit in the tens place. Here in 302, the digit in the tens place is 0, which is less than 5. So what number we will get when we round off to the nearest 100, 400 or 300? Yes, we will get 300. In the number 750, we have 5 in the tens place, which is equal to 5. So what number we will get? 700 or 800? Yes, we will get 800. Round each number to the nearest thousands. The first number is 8493. So here the digit in the hundreds place is 4, which is less than 5. So what number you will get when we round off the given number to the nearest thousand? 8,000 or 9,000? We will get 8,000. The next number is 1,500. The digit in the hundreds place is 5. So it is 1,000 or 2,000. We will get 2,000. Now I hope you all understood how to estimate the given number. Estimation of sum, difference and product. Estimate the sum 12,904 plus 2,888 by estimating the numbers to the nearest tens. So, the given number is 12,904 and 2,888. We have to estimate the given number to the nearest tens. So for that, we have to see the digit in the ones place. So in the first number, that is 12,904, the digit in the ones place is 4, which is less than 5. So we have to replace the digit in the ones place by 0. So we get 12,900. When you see in the second number, we have 8 in the ones place, which is greater than 5. So we have to increase plus 1 in the tens place and replace ones place by 0. Thus we get 2,890. Therefore, the estimated sum is equal to, we have to add 12,900 and 2,890. We will get 15,790. The next is estimate 796 minus 314 by rounding off each number nearest to its greatest place. The given numbers are 796 and 314. Rounding off 796 to its greatest place, that is, what is the greatest place? Ones, tens and hundreds place is the greatest place. So, hundreds place, when you round off, you have to see the digit in the tens place. The digit in the tens place is 9. So, you have to add 1 to the digit in the hundreds place and replace the tens and ones place by 0. Thus, we get the estimated number to be 800. Rounding off 314 to its greatest place, that is the hundreds place, the estimated number is equal to 300. Therefore, they have asked to subtract. So 800 minus 300 is equal to 500. Estimate the product 1291 into 592 by rounding off each factor to its greatest place. So the given numbers are 1291 and 592. Rounding off 1291 to its greatest place. What is the greatest place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So thousands place. So the estimated number is equal to 1000. Since we have the digit 2 in the hundreds place, which is less than 5, we have to replace the hundreds, tens and ones place by 0. So we get the estimated number to be 1000. Rounding off 592 to its greatest place, that is the hundreds place, the estimated number is equal to 600. So we have to find the product. So product means we have to multiply. So 1000 into 600 is equal to 6 lakhs. Summary of this lesson. We learned about conversion of units of measuring length, measuring mass and measuring capacity. Then we did few word problems on large numbers. And we also found estimation of numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. Then we did few problems on estimation of sum, difference and product. Assignment. You can submit your assignments through Google Classroom. I have given the procedure to download the Google Classroom. Kindly join the Google Classroom using the code given here and submit your assignments in it. Thank you.